Also put on the tent top this weekend. We'll pop it up. As you can see, the material, the fabric's faded a little bit, but it came with it, so I'll put it up there. It was really hard to open originally. Had to oil the hinges, and it actually opens really easy now. Nothing too special in here. Went ahead and oiled those hinges there as well. Did some work on the bed. There's a bolt right there that was sticking up. I ended up chopping the top off. Still need to do a track trim piece that goes on the edge. But the one that came off is in really bad shape. The hardest part was stretching the fabric on the edge right here around that corner. And same with this side. I did not find an easy way of doing that, but the sides are really easy. Putting the screws in. See if I can get that to focus. Either way, there's screws about every foot. They go the entire length. So other than that, nothing else new. I did put the seal around the corners up there. It goes all the way around. All right, I think that's it for today.